What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking the power developed by a series motor is PD is equal to EA/IA for a constant terminal voltage. Derive the expression for the maximum power developed. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the circuit for this. This is series resistant RSC, and the current through this one is IA. And this one is our EA, and the voltage across is V. Now there's an equation for V. V is equal to EA plus IA times RA, this armature current, armature resistance, and the series resistance SC. Okay. Now we have this equation. Instead of RA plus RSC, we can say R is equal to RA plus RSC. So we can replace the whole thing with R. So this will become V is equal to EA plus IA times R. Now power developed by series motor PD is given by EA times IA. And we know that V is equal to EA times IA times R. And if we multiply everything by IA, this is going to become VIA, and here we will have EAIA, and this will become IA square times R. Okay, and from this one we can say that VIA is equal to EA times IA. We know that is equal to PD. So instead of this, we plug PD right here, plus IA square R. PD, therefore PD is equal to VIA minus IA square R. Now condition for the PD maximum. Condition for PD maximum is given by derivative of PD with respect to IA. If you take the derivative of this one, if it's giving 0, it means V is constant. V is constant, and this is the maximum power state. Condition for the maximum power. Now if you take the derivative of D, PD is, we derive the equation for PD here, VIA minus IA square R. So instead of PD, we plug that one right here, VIA minus IA square R divided by DIA should be equal to 0 at the maximum power condition. Now if you take the derivative, this is going to become V. Since we are taking with respect to IA, this will become 1, and here we will have 2IA. So this is going to be V minus 1 times V, just V, and 2IA times R, the derivative of this one, that is equal to 0. Therefore V is equal to IA times R, 2IA times R. Therefore IA is equal to V over 2R. Now let's continue here. V over 2R. Therefore V is equal to, let's use a different color. V is equal to EA plus IA times R. Now EA is equal to V minus IA times R. V minus IA is V over 2R. So V over 2R times R. This is going to be V minus V over 2. That is just V over 2. Okay. Now we know that PD maximum is equal to EA times IA, and also we derived the equation that EA is equal to this one. EA is equal to V over 2. So at maximum, PD is equal to EA times IA. At maximum, that it is V over 2. So V over 2, and I is equal to V over 2. IA is equal to, okay, let's see, IA is equal to what? IA is equal to V over 2R. Here we have V over 2R. I'm applying from this equation. PD is equal to EA times IA. Let's note that one right here. PD is equal to EA times IA. Now EA is equal to this. EA is equal to V over 2, and IA is equal to V over 2R, and that gives us V square over 4R. That is our PD max. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electromechanical system, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.